friends, we're making bread.
Hi, Betty, we made the bread.
Right. So first we're going to start with 2 cups of warm water between 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So pour it. Pour it in. There you go. Good job. Then we need 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. Okay. Pour that in. Wonderful.
No, because I'm made the.
Then we need 1/4 cup of sugar, or you can use honey.
Oh, your hat.
All right, we're gonna do
See?
about that much. 4. Okay. Now mix it all in. Mix it all around. We're gonna cover it and set a 10-minute timer. Hey Google, timer for 10 minutes. Okay. Now we need 5 cups of bread flour. The bread flour that we use. Whoops.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
No.
Getting
You
messy?
have it a lot.
You having a lot?
Yeah. No, that's it right now.
All right.
Yeah.
1, 4.
No, I made it.
No, not yet. Here, we need to do 5. We only did 1. More. Okay. 2.
No, I made it.
Nope, not yet. We only did 2. We need 5.
Okay.
What comes after 2?
It's just a ball.
Hey.
Yeah.
We did 2. So how many? Or what's next?
What? 2, B.
3. All right, here's 3. 3. Good job.
No, I made it.
Nope, we need 5. Remember?
Yeah. 5.
We did 3. What comes after 3?
I do 5. I did.
We did 3, and then what?
I did ball.
And then 4. Okay, 4. What number is that? 4.
Ball.
There you go. Last one. What's the last one?
It's a ball.
No, we just did 4. What comes after 4?
It's a daddy.
No. 4 and then 5. Right?
It's
5.
a daddy.
And then 6 and 7. All right. So we'll put in our 2 tablespoons of butter and our 2 teaspoons of salt. We mix it together, right?
Yeah. No,
After 2 minutes, you'll cover it and it should look like this,
Yeah.
right? All frothy. Can I see your spoon? There we go. Give it a little mix.
We need to mix this.
What, son?
We need to mix this.
Our salt and our butter. Okay. We're gonna make a hole in the middle. Oh, wait, hold on. You're going the wrong way. Wait, sissy. We'll open it like that. Okay? Alright, and then we're gonna pour this in.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay?
No, I made it.
Yep, now we're gonna mix it a little bit.
No, I am.
Go ahead.
No boy.
There you go. Once it's rested for 1 hour,
Yeah.
look like this, be doubled in size, and we punch it.
Yeah.
Punch it down. Harder. Close it down. Good job. Alright, let me try. Punch.
Yes.
We're gonna split it because this makes 2 loaves of bread, or bread and rolls.
Oh, do you want but what's here and what's here?
Yeah.
What do we not need that one? What's here and what's here?
We're doing right there.
Stay.
Make it like a rectangle shape.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and leave a comment down below. We'll catch you in the next video.